You thought I was going to go an entire year without uploading a video? It's only been 364 days, 23 hours, and 59 minutes. Now, welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you're doing well. I personally am, and I have a lot of things that I want to talk about over the past year that have happened and kind of why I stopped making videos and why I'm back now. At the time that this video is going up, I should be right around 35,000 subscribers at this point, which is actually really crazy when you think about it, because when I started, I had no viewers and I was uploading 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. here on the channel. A lot of the OGs around here will remember that, but yeah, I haven't made a video in so long, and it feels super weird being in a parking lot like this, blinding myself with the sun and talking to you guys. But there's the biggest question you guys are going to have right now is, what is this vehicle behind me right here? What do I drive now? Do I still drive a Jeep? Am I still part of the community? Do I still make content, or do I still do anything or modify my car? And we're going to talk about it in just a second. I lied. I'm just going to do a slow pan. I don't want to keep you guys waiting. Yeah, we still have the Jeep. We still have the Jeep SRT, baby. We are still driving around in this. You may think, though, that it looks a little bit different. I mean, there's a front plate on it again. There's the no tint anywhere. Look at this. I'm driving in a fishbowl, guys. You know how bad I was about that. You know the fishbowl was my biggest issue, and here I am driving without it. We got no stickers, no branding. Nobody knows that I am the YouTube guy. I'm just kind of the guy in an SRT with a BJP plate. I'm nobody, baby. I'm nobody. On a serious note, though, yes, I do still have the Jeep. I do still have the ridiculous payment, and of course, I still drive it every single day. It's super dirty. We've got some really bad hood peeling that I just broke even more there. It's coming up over here even. Yeah, there's a lot wrong with this Jeep, which we'll talk about in a future video. A lot of the same stuff as before, but even some new stuff, so we'll definitely touch on that in a future video. In the past year, a lot has changed in my life. I don't even know if you guys can tell, or if I can only tell, but your boy works out and is active and very fit now, and yeah, it's really good. I had a very big lifestyle change. If you guys are not on that and you're not active and getting fit and healthy and caring about what you're putting in your body, definitely get on that, and I'm definitely gonna try and push that in my videos a little bit more. That is something that's very important to me now, fitness and just being healthy in general and caring about what you're eating. Now, that all changed and became because, you know, I kind of made a career switch a year ago, which played a big part into me stopping YouTube. It did. Now, many of you probably don't know, but outside of YouTube, I've always been a marketing guy. So I worked at like a solar company, and I've just done a bunch of different marketing stuff. I still do that today, and I do work full-time as a marketing guy. Before, when I was making YouTube videos only, and I was just living off the money from this and some side businesses, that was you know, a different time. But yeah, I've always done marketing and stuff like that, but I've always wanted to be a cop. So about a year ago, I finally decided to start getting in shape more to pass the physical test, which was always my kind of thing that I needed to overcome. And yeah, with that, it took a lot of time to train outside of working a full-time job and house responsibilities and all that kind of stuff. So we did end up stopping the content a little bit. And throughout that process, I did actually go through the entire process. It's kind of crazy, but I did everything from the start to finish, all the way to going to the police academy. I went to the police academy, and I was there for 3 days, and I decided that this was not it for me. I kept thinking about making YouTube videos and just how much I enjoy it and how I was able to earn an income from that and all my other business stuff and my marketing things, and just I'm a very entrepreneurial person, so I was basically giving that up, and I was gonna have to work night shift and do all this kind of crazy stuff that at the end of the day just wasn't the lifestyle that I wanted for me personally and for my family. So yeah, 3 days, I made that realization real quick, and yeah, with that, it kind of reinvigorated this love and this passion for making videos. So I've been planning, I've been plotting, and we have big stuff coming, I promise. Another really big life event happened this past weekend. I actually did get engaged to my girlfriend, now fiance. You guys may remember her. I did let her drive the Jeep here for a video, made some shorts out of it. They did pretty well. So if you did subscribe from that video, then definitely like this video and comment and let me know down below. It's definitely been quite the journey getting here and to where we are today. And I think the biggest issue that I had, you guys may remember, I made videos all the time, and I was like doing this Jeep mod, this Jeep mod, this Jeep mod, and then I kind of hit a wall where there wasn't much more for me to do. I tried to make the pivot, get the charger, the 392 Scat pack that I had, do some stuff to that. Views weren't really hitting, wasn't really where I wanted to be, and part of that was I backed myself into the Jeep corner. I know a lot of you guys are here for Jeep content, which the Jeep is staying, at least for now. I have no plans of getting rid of it, just in the aspect of The interest rates right now and everything is just ridiculous. It's hard to find anything. The only thing that I really want is either like maybe a Ford Raptor or a Ram TRX, and both of those are fairly pricey, and with the interest rates and everything and what I owe on this, which we'll talk about in another video, your boy is drowning in this car.
Hello, I am under the water. Please help me.
And I'll tell you about that. But all in all, I just haven't had the time or passion to make videos of this Jeep. And I know you guys only want Jeep content, which is kind of the problem that I had, because I backed myself into this. But there are most of my biggest videos on the channel that have helped it grow, and a lot of you guys might have come from that. There are different videos talking about different vehicles and different features and different stuff like that. So I'm working on getting some partnerships together to work with dealerships and do some other cars and kind of do some review stuff, some feature things, maybe just do something different and cool and have a lot of fun with it. And then of course mod the Jeep at the same time, because we got a bone stock Jeep with a fresh inspection sticker, so you know what that means. It's time to get started. There are a few things that it needs. It does need new tires. They're pretty low there. I do need to get on that and get some new tires on there. I do need to bring it in. I do have a warranty. I'm scared of going in having to pay a ton of diagnostic fees on everything if it's not covered by the warranty. I think my warranty should cover everything. We can again go over that in another video. I have so many videos planned and so many different ideas. I'm gonna go for one video a week for the rest of the year. That is at least my goal. Ideally, I'll do 1, 2, 3 videos a week, but like I said, I've got another business that I'm working on that I've been working on for the past like year or two, so I want to focus on that as well. So it's kind of splitting my time a little bit. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys have done in the past year, maybe your biggest accomplishment or the biggest thing that you're happy about. Let me know what you guys want to see on the Jeep, what you guys want to see for videos, and what you're excited for this year. You thought I was going to go an entire year without uploading a video? It's only been 364 days, 23 hours and 59 minutes.